This is the brief on the Carrington event and the digital apocalypse simulation. Okay, so here's the deal. Solar superstorms aren't some freak event. They're a built-in risk. The benchmark we all look to is the Carrington event of 1859. And get this, a storm that massive just barely missed Earth in 2012, so we know the threat is still very real. A new simulation shows what would happen today, concluding it would tear down the technological backbone of our global economy. We're talking a probability of up to 12% every single decade. First, the power grid dies. Forget your phone getting fried. The real danger is the collapse of the high-voltage grid. See, those huge power lines act like giant antennas, funneling massive electrical surges into the large power transformers. This causes the cores inside to literally melt, destroying hundreds of them. This isn't like the 1989 Quebec outage where switches just tripped. This is physical destruction. Second, the global internet fractures. The fiber optic cables are fine, but the equipment powering them isn't. Those undersea cables act like antennas, and the induced voltage fries the gear that powers the signal repeaters along the ocean floor. If just one repeater fails, the whole cable goes dark. We'd likely lose the transatlantic connection, breaking the internet into isolated regional internets. And finally, recovery would take years. Why? A brutal supply chain trap. Those destroyed transformers are custom-built behemoths. Nobody keeps spares. Lead times are already 2 to 4 years. In a global crisis, that supply chain freezes, leaving the grid crippled for years on end. The bottom line is this catastrophic vulnerability exists because we've prioritized efficiency over resilience, and the cost of prevention is a tiny fraction of the cost of the event.